Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, Fog City RC. I hope everybody is doing fantastic and looking forward to a great holiday season. All right, I got another video for you guys. We're gonna unbox and do a quick flight of the WLToys 4-channel copter. It's their MicroSeries. I've already flown it a number of times. Very, very cool. And for not a whole lot of money. I think this thing's like 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll link it down below. Let's enjoy this unboxing and flight video, guys. Let's do it. All right, guys, let's unbox this thing. Okay, first thing you see is the instruction manual. Okay, I know we've all seen these before. All right, there it is. So the first thing we see is the copter itself. Okay, we'll take a closer look at this in a second. Here's the controller, 4-channel controller. Not bad. Like I said, this thing's 30 bucks. Here's your 4-channel controller for it. Cool little digital display. It's actually very cool. Okay. Here's our charger. So it looks like that'll go into there. And this goes into a USB. Couple batteries, charge them up, you're good to go. Spare parts, main prop, rear rotor. Okay, if you break it, you can replace it. All right, guys, there's the bird itself. Again, I'm going to say it again. It's 30 bucks, and this thing looks fantastic. It's got a great color scheme. Looks like the build quality is great. You can see the servos, the rear, the rear motor here. I don't know what else there is to tell you about it. Again, I will say that I've had a handful of flights on this thing, and I've crashed it a few times, and there's not one little scratch on it. So build quality seems pretty darn good. We'll put the battery right in here, and then you arm it and you fly it, which we should go do right now. All right, ready to go. Let's just give it a little test. Well, the reason why it's not flying is because it's actually, the battery's dead. But it'll be charged up for the flight video, obviously. Can you believe I forgot to charge the battery for you guys? Oh well, if you're watching this, you know how to charge a battery. So my flying skills are not that great. But I do want to say, though, that this is a great flying helicopter. You have full control, up, down, forward, back, yaw, and pitch. It's all there. It's a great helicopter. Fully recommend it. I'm having a great time with it.
Thunder.